Hello boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to edit your writing. Now this writing is not my narrative, so your narrative will be a lot better and it will be a lot longer and you'll have to read it and edit it yourself. But I've done a couple of sentences here to show you how you can edit. So you need to reread your writing out loud 3 times. Okay, so not 3 times, sorry, 4 times. Got confused. 4 times. The first time you're going to check for making sure your sentences make sense. The second time you're going to check for your full stops. The third time you're going to check for capital letters. Then the fourth time you're going to check for your spelling. Okay, so 4 times. So I'm going to read mine the first time and I'm going to check that my sentences make sense. To do this, I'm going to point at every word as I read it. I've got my red pen ready. If you don't have red, you can use blue or green, whatever color you have, as long as it's not the same color as your grey lead, okay? Because then we can see your editing. The very noisy baby too. Once upon time, that doesn't make sense. I'm missing a word. It should say once upon a time. So I'm going to use my red pencil. Once upon a time, a very noisy baby lived a pink house. Lived in a pink house. She liked make animal noises. She liked make animal noises. She liked to make animal noises. So I need to add in my word. Sometimes you might notice that you have too many words and you might need to cross one out, okay? Just to make sure that your sentence makes sense. She liked to make animal noises. Okay, that makes more sense. Now I'm going to read it again and I'm going to check for my full stops at the end of my sentences. I know I need a full stop when I pause in my reading, so you need to listen to yourself very carefully. The very noisy baby too. Once upon a time, a very noisy baby lived in a pink house. Oh, I paused. I need a full stop there. She liked to make animal noises. And that's the end, so I definitely need a full stop there. Okay. I'm going to read it a third time now to check for my capital letters. Now, while I do this, I need to check and make sure I haven't got too many capital letters. So some people like to put capital letters in the middle of words, and I can already see that I've got a couple of capital letters in the wrong places that I need to fix, okay? The very noisy baby too. I also know that a title, every word has a capital letter, okay? So I'm going to use my red pencil to make all the letters a capital. Once, start of a sentence, need a capital. Once upon, capital N in the middle of the word, don't need it. Fix that to a lowercase. Once upon a time, don't need that. A very noisy baby lived in a pink house. New sentence, because we put a full stop. This needs a capital letter now. She liked to make animal, two there, don't need them. Practice your lowercase letters. Animal noises. All right. Last time I'm going to read it. What I'm going to be looking for now is any words that I think I didn't spell wrong. I didn't spell right, sorry. So if I thought that I spelt them wrong, I'm going to put a line underneath it. I'll show you how. The very noisy baby too. Once upon a time, a very noisy baby lived in a pink house. I tried my best sounding out this word, but I don't think it's right. So I'm going to put a line underneath it. And when I finish reading, I'm going to go and look in my dictionary for it. She liked to make, I don't know about that one either. Animal, sounded out, did my best, but I just don't think it's right. And I'm really self-managing as a learner and I want to find out how to spell it. Noises. She liked to make animal noises. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and find out how to spell these words. Okay, you can look in, if you've got a dictionary at home, you can look it up online. You could ask an older brother or sister or mum and dad, and they'll be able to help you. And when you've figured it out using your red pencil, you can just write it. It will have to be really small, just above like that. Okay, and then I'm finished. That's how you edit your writing. So you can do that for your narrative before you move on to the next lesson, which is publishing. Have fun.